Pre-flight preparation. Power on the default outdoor GPS mode. Please do it outdoors in an open-top unobstructed environment. Remove the protective cover of the drone's gimbal. Make sure the drone is horizontal before starting it. Short press, then long press to turn on the drone. Wait for the gimbal to calibrate. Short press and then long press to turn on the remote control. Wait for the drone to align with the remote control. The drone's light will change from blinking to normal light and the beep will sound. The frequency alignment is successful. Press for geomagnetic calibration. Rotate horizontally clockwise to hear a beep. Then rotate vertically clockwise to hear another beep. Compass horizontal calibration is completed. Short press for gyro calibration.